BJP National President on a campaign trail in Haringata, Nodia joins us. JP Nadda जी, जिस तरह का आपको अभी तक रिस्पांस मिला है, what do you have to really say? क्योंकि you've been traveling through the line.
Straight away we are crossing 200 plus, and the campaign has been very good. People want to say goodbye to Mamta. उनको विदाई नमस्कार करना चाहते हैं. टोलाबाजी, तुष्टीकरण, तानाशाही, सिंडिकेट राज, बालू घोटाला, चावल घोटाला, तिरपाल घोटाला, सब चीज़ों में पीसी भाईपो इनके प्रति लोगों का रोष है और उनको नमस्कार करते हुए भारतीय जनता पार्टी को बड़ी संख्या में चुनाव जिताने के लिए लोग आते हैं.
So the Rajbangshi vote bank is very critical. The Rajbangshi boy was attacked last time around, and also 30% Matua vote also. How important is it for the BJP?
Every vote is very important for us, but these sections of the society were ignored for a long time. They were exploited. Their vote was considered to be a vote bank, and it was considered as if it is confirmed with them. Now they have realized that it is Bharatiya Janata Party and Narendra Modi ji who believes in Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas and Sabka Vishwas. So they voted in large number in 2019 Lok Sabha election also and this year also. And they feel very confident that under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, the BJP is going to see to it that all sections of the society are properly given the right type of support as the government has to give.
Sir, Mamata Banerjee has been very angry with the Election Commission. Today she sat down on a dharna. She's painted the whole afternoon. This is her way to express a protest against the Election Commission.
देखिए, she is now in a frustration mood. She is feeling that the game is lost and it has gone out of her hands. So that frustration, that anger and that feeling is coming, and you can find her statements, her expression, that itself speaks that she is not comfortable.
But using abusive language against the security forces, using abusive language against SC, is this something which you...
It is never expected. But Payal, a person who has been on constitutional post for 10 long years, who has been a central minister for a long time, if she uses such language, we can understand what she must have done with Bengal in the last 10 years and how administration would have run. So that we have to understand.
Why do you think she gets so angry every time that Modi ji says Didi oh Didi?
Because she feels that the people are responding and people are understanding how respectful Modi ji is towards Mamta and which type of language she is using for Modi ji. That is becoming evident. So that is making her more frustrated.
So after four phases, how many seats do you think you will be?
We are going for a clear-cut majority, and we will cross 200 in the whole election.
And no trust in what PK said that BJP will still score under 100.
PK spoke the right thing, na? That Modi ji is the most popular, BJP is gaining, every section of the society is supporting BJP. We had done appeasement, we have done polarization, now people are reacting to it. So he has spoken everything on his own.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Well, that was BJP's National President JP Nadda ji speaking exclusively to us with Virajas Arjun in Haringata. Payal Mehta for CNN News 18.